Hey guys, GoLabs reached out to me and asked me to review their latest product. This is very similar to the last GoLabs review I did last year, but they have told me that they have upgraded the appearance of the power station and sent me a unit to show you guys. So this will be a quick unboxing and quick review of the new power station they have made. Also gotta mention, the packaging from GoLabs is just awesome. We got a instruction manual, some foam packaging. On top we've got probably the power adapter, and then we've got the unit itself. There it is. Very nicely packaged. It's very safe and secure for shipping. And here it is. Okay, yeah. So pretty much all the features appear to be the same. We've got one of the fan outlets here. On the other side we've got a light. The other side is the other side of the fan. And then the main function of the unit, we've got two power outlets, the on button for the AC outlet, then two USBs and two USB-Cs. And then these are all DC outlet plugs, as well as the input plug right here. And then one of the upgrades that they have done is a dust port cover for the 12-volt outlet. That is a nicer dust cover port. Let's power it on. Okay, so we've got 79% charge. That's a great charge for storage. We could turn on each one of these outlets. Let's try turning the light on. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's bright. And we've got SOS. That's a very bright light. I'm not positive, but already I can tell it seems like pressing these buttons, they have better response than the previous unit. I do like that, because I remember on the previous model, you had to press a couple different times before the button would actually recognize that you want to turn it on or off. Whereas you just press and hold the power button now, and you can press the buttons as many times as they want, and they respond each time. So that is nice. Overall, I do like the size of this unit. It's, well, let's look at the specs. Okay, so the battery capacity is 299 watt hours, and it's a lithium ion phosphate battery. So that is very good, very good. They rate it for about 2,000 cycles, which is a lot of cycles, but that does seem on the lower spectrum for lithium phosphate batteries. And it could easily go past that, I would imagine. The weight is 4.2 kilograms. So in pounds, that's about 10 pounds. Let's open these boxes and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the power adapter. You just plug this into your wall, and then that goes right into the input. That's how you can charge it up via the wall, although I recommend charging it up via solar, and you can still get the right adapter for solar and just plug it into the same input port. Okay, here's all the adapters we need. Yep, this is the the exact one we need for the solar that I just mentioned. So you just plug this straight into the unit, and then you take your solar panel and you can plug these MC4 connectors right into the male and female, and you're good to charge. So you don't even need to buy any other adapters for it yourself. Okay, then we've also got another way to charge. So this also plugs into that 12 volt input, and you can plug this into your car so you can charge while you're traveling. That's also handy. So they give you 3 options for charging. Yeah, that's excellent. I'd like to plug in my 3D printer right here just to show you that the power works. So we'll turn the unit on, plug it in, and turn the plug on. And there starts my 3D printer running off the power station. That is sweet. I just want to say a big thanks to GoLabs for sending this product to me for review. I'll look forward to using this in my future projects and videos this coming year. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for you to watch.